In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headline. The Deputy Minister of Public Health for Healthcare Services emphasizes on professional and humanitarian responsibilities in hospitals. The extraction operation of Urooj mines began in Bazarak, the district of Pashto province. And the telephone conversation between the presidents of Russia and the United Arab Emirates. Welcome to the news package. It's Sunday, the 30th of Zulqa'dat al-Haram, 1447, the 27th of Saud, 1405, and the 17th of May, 2026. The news details. Maulvi Abdul Wali Haqqani, the Deputy Minister for Healthcare Services in the Ministry of Public Health, visited the Independence Specialized and Mental Health Treatment Hospitals. Based on the Ministry of Public Health, Maulvi Haqqani urged the healthcare officials and staff of the aforesaid hospitals to treat patients with kindness and to carry out their professional and humanitarian responsibilities with honesty and sincerity. The Director of Mines and Petroleum of Panjshir Province has announced that the extraction of Urooj mines has officially begun in Bazarak area, the district of Panjshir Province, and the extraction operation in 2 additional districts of Panjshir will soon commence. Based on the statements made by the concerned officials of the Directorate, 10 Urooj mines have so far been identified in the center of Panjshir as well as in Anabe and Abshar districts. It's worth mentioning that in addition to gold, emerald, and beryl mines, deposits of 17 other types of precious stones have also been identified in the province. The news continuation. The Minister of Public Health has announced that with the aim of strengthening and expanding healthcare services in provinces of Ghor and Badghis, it has signed a contract worth more than $492,000 with ISO organization. According to the ministry, the 1-year agreement is intended to improve the quality of healthcare services, increase public access to medical treatment, and reduce health-related challenges faced by citizens. And ultimately, Vladimir Putin, the President of Russia, and Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the President of the United Arab Emirates, held a telephone conversation. In accordance with the statement released by Kremlin, the 2 leaders discussed issues related to Middle East crisis and Iran during the call. The statement added that both sides emphasized the importance of political and diplomatic efforts aimed at achieving peace while taking into account the legitimate interests of all countries in the region. We have reached the end of our news program. Further informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.